Hey there gamer, ready to experience the intense action of Valorant? Here's a quick and easy guide to help you install the game and start playing like a pro. Let's dive in. Open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or whatever you prefer, and search for Valorant download. Look for the official Riot Games website. It's usually the first result. Don't fall for fake links. Click the first link to enter the Riot Games download page. Spot the big download button and click it. This will start downloading the installer file for Riot Games. Prompt will pop up. Choose a folder to save the file and hit save. Once downloaded, open the file to begin the installation process. Your PC might ask for admin permissions. Just click yes to continue. A setup window will appear. Click install and watch as the Riot Games client starts preparing. Don't worry, it's all automated. Just sit back and relax. Next, Riot will ask you to choose a location for the game's files. Pick a drive with enough space. Valorant needs about 25 gigabytes. Pro tip, keep it on your SSD if you want faster load times. The Riot Games launcher will now open. Log in with your Riot account, or create one if you don't have it. Tick the box for stay logged in. This saves you from entering your details every time. Use Google or another convenient option for quick sign-in. Once logged in, you'll see a new interface. Find the install button and click it. The launcher will now start downloading all the necessary game files. Wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a while. Use the time to grab a snack or even plan your first game strategy. After the installation is done, restart your PC. This step ensures everything runs smoothly without any errors. Finally, launch Valorant, click play, and you're good to go. Customize your settings, pick your favorite agent, and jump into the action. Pro tips before you play. Make sure your PC meets the system requirements for smooth gameplay. Keep your drivers updated for the best performance. That's all it takes. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which agent you're going to main. Happy gaming!